Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal beats Crystal Palace for the Emirates 4-1. Now the match end. So say before the match we lose against Sporting Lisbon, so many people they vex for Arsenal, even the players can't get injury, Tomiyasu and Saliba. So now for this match, Rob Holding can't come in and the guys can't play. Saka scored 2 goals, Martinelli scored 1, Granit Xhaka scored 1. Like they had a fun time, and it was very, very important for us to win this match so that we'll go the international break 8 points ahead of Man City. So everybody play well, and one of the standout performers for me now be this Rob Holding. And the reason we say Rob Holding is the standout performer is because he has been match rusty and coming in to cover for somebody like William Saliba. They're very, very easy, because the last memory I get of Rob Holding now when he played last season against Tottenham Hotspur, when the whole son anyhow, the whole son again red card gone, blessed that I would penalty. I don't even remember what it's up again. So that was like the last memory I get for the guy. So anytime I see him, fear will catch me. I know, so we only really use them like maybe 5 minutes to go, one protect our lead, or maybe 3 minutes to go. Then they usually bring them in. But for this one, about play from beginning to end, you get. So that's why I did very, very happy. And we also see the debut of Kivior for the EPL where they come out. Gabriel Magalhaes come put Kivior. He did one last minute save, not save, like he's stopping, like it was like a stop gap when he stop, and Zaha is on wipe shot, he just throw in leg, come out and say confirm, welcome to the EPL. So the boys at the front time, you get Odegaard, masterclass, Zinchenko, confirm, no wonder Baba they always use them, and Skriniar come in, can show them the different dimension when they always bring to Arsenal in square play, grander, Scree, guy do the grander, boah, the wiper. So I really enjoyed the way Arsenal they play now. So 10 games to go, 10 finals. So let's see what the international break holds. Mama be say, make the players just go for international break and play well. And don't forget, because I tell myself come answer whether they ask them about the players, but I say the players had a fun time, they played very, very well. And you can advise the players say, now when we say that they go international break, please make sure you take care of yourself. Look after yourself, and will not be there with you. The physios will not be there. So those will go represent England, those will go represent Switzerland, different countries. So irrespective of which country you are going, that you have been invited to go and attend, take care of yourself. No one here say somebody can't come back, come get injury. Now all prayer be that. So I beg, when I take care of yourself. Now away from the match, so Martin Keown and some of CHUKS, they're going to do interview session for Emirates Stadium. They're going to invite Bukayo Saka. So they're going to ask and say, now we'll be saying we're not the 8 points ahead of Man City. So now get Man City to contend. I remember saying some of the games when I go play this, I go play Man City, I go play Chelsea, I go play Liverpool, I go play Newcastle away. So those games are very, very key. You need to go to Newcastle away and win. You need to go to Etihad away and win. You need to go to Liverpool away and win. They're going to ask Saka, say, whether in they scared of people like Man City and Liverpool. Saka said, we are not scared of anyone. You get? So we don't fear Liverpool, we don't fear Man City. As we do like this, you can see the way we are playing. We don't fear anybody. You can say, Saka can make 1 point. Come up say, you remember when we played Man City at the Etihad League Cup, or you remember when we played them at the Emirates Stadium, IB. You get? We made Man City play one of the matches so we see that nobody would like to remember. They have one of the lowest ball possession. Like, why this thing is very important, because Man City, they are a domineering side. They like to dominate games, they like to impose themselves on people. But for that match, we let them know, say that tiki-taka our manager learned from their manager, now we can't sabi and pass them. Again, so we let them know, say that match we control them. So Saka can make your own points. Liverpool, we don't meet them, we not them. Man City, we played well and we lost. That's just the fact. Even for the League Cup, we play for the Etihad, we play well and lost. And even bust problem because of us. Man City changed their style of play. They know they play tiki-taka, anytime they meet us. Now up in, now just up, cross and all. That they do. You get long balls to Eliala, not than that to anybody. You get? That's what they have been doing. So secondly, also we'll go there without fear. We are going there, and it will be very, very key. The match we play against Man City, then will likely decide the trajectory of whoever will win the Premier League. So we must just watch as everything will be. So away from that, even Aaron Ramsdale can come as I call it also, we can handle the title pressure now. So Baba can explain, can they give you an analysis, can they talk say last season we've learned from our mistakes. Last season we were like a novice, like we were chasing the Champions League slot. 4 games to go. We see them in the ascending order until we lost against Tottenham Hotspur and we lost against Newcastle. Everything just capitulated like a pack of cards. So this time around, we've learned from that mistake. Now we understand what it means to play under pressure. Though we don't get that title charge, that title race experience, but when it comes to playing under pressure, we don't understand. And we get some winners in our team who they always like guide us. People like Zinchenko, people like Gabriel. So these guys are serial winners. People like Jorginho, they understand and know what it takes to win. They've won before. Most of our team members, they never really win the league before. They don't know what it takes again. They don't understand that. Yeah. So that's why we are depending on some of our internal leaders. Get the carcass leaders will let us know how they go. Keep our cool head. Get 10 games to go. 10's final. Let's see where it takes us. On my way from that, so we can't just say Pepe. They get the mindset of staying for OGness, saying we like to stay there permanently because blessed them, they read the handwriting on the wall saying no get future for Arsenal. Somebody like Pepe, no fit match what would they do now. It gets in playing style does not fit what we are doing, our current playing style now. It gets, so that is why it is like people like Kylian, and that's why it is unfortunate for him also in playing style not really be the primary playing style where Arteta they do. You get, that is why if he enter like Arteta na person will say he learns control and dominating football from in master will be Pep Guardiola, because Pep believes say if you can control the team, like now you the whole ball, you stand the chance to score. If your opponent no get ball, they no go fit score. Now one of the mantras, football philosophy is for Pep head, because if you don't get the ball, I want to score. That's one thing. So that's why I like to dominate, starve the opposition of the ball, and people they help and do that thing. As Zinchenko, where they add more bodies to the middle of the park. Get, so that is why as long as say Zinchenko they 100% fit, whoever they start ahead of Kylian, and when in the play, Moko no lie, we'll see what they do for the field of play. And Kylian himself now a different kettle of fish, now a different caliber and profile of player. If he's enter, he go display on the person who they enjoy. People like Kylian football, people like Erling Haaland, people like Ivan Toney, people like Osimhen, because na cross and all this be the crossing. So if you get the target man there, Kylian you go feed the feeder. If you get target man, you can't expect Zinchenko to be feeding him. Zinchenko to be that kind of player. And for those who know they are aware, Zinchenko was once a number 10. You get before Pepe Guardiola can go buy him. I think it was from Ukraine, one Ukraine team, they can't go buy him, can't convert him because they get too many number 10. And if he break into the midfield, they can't convert him to a fullback. That was how it started. And due to his versatility, you can't be very, very valuable to any team where they play. So this is what it is. Even Bobby Zamora said, don't come outside call the talk, say Aston stand down, saying they back Arsenal to win the league with 10 games to go, because the way Arsenal they play, they are very, very focused. Everybody understands their job description. Everybody knows what the coach wants them to do. So it is very, very evident by the way that they play in the field rather. So that's why it just be me. So I'm very, very happy. Everybody in mind they be say, okay, we could win the league. I keep saying this thing. Champions League no be what would they fight for. Champions League has been secured. Get nothing you want tell me about that one, because this is some kind comment section say Champions League are not secured. Nothing you want tell me. We no fit finish out of the top 4. The way they play now, you know possible. For these 10 games, no time say we go lose the 10. We don't even lose 5. You know possible. So there's nothing you want tell me. So it is either we finish first or we finish second. As we did like this now with the gap Manchester United with like that kind of 19 points. Guys, though they will get that kind of 2 outstanding match, because before the match we played yesterday, they had 1 outstanding. As we come win again, they can't get 2 outstanding because them play cup yesterday. So it is what it is. So we'll just see how everything will end. And I think this is a perfect opportunity to further educate some of our community members. See, we don't win yesterday now. Everybody's very, very happy. Get no toxicity in the comment section. Everybody's proud of Arsenal, right? This is how it's supposed to be even when we lose. Get, you are supposed to have the same mindset with the fans waiting for the stadium. The fans waiting for the stadium when they close out to the player, when they get the emotional, the connection, the electricity directly from the players. They never cry. Then they vex, but they go see they shout Arsenal, Arsenal, Arsenal. Even though they knock us 2-0, even when we lose, they will say clap for the players because they know it is not easy. We will one day for this side. We only support the team when the team win. If not so you do, not be everybody. But if not so you do, you better change your mindset to get. Your job is a supporter. If you don't know the meaning of supporter, you have to offer support to get. So win, lose, draw, offer your support. That is why you are a supporter. You're not only a supporter when the team wins. Me, I don't support Arsenal for more than 20 years. So when they talk about heartbreak, I don't feel that many times. You get, so no be today. So me, I know how to control myself. You get, so support the team not only when they win, when they draw, when they lose, you can criticize them, but don't allow your criticism to become destructive criticism. Make it constructive. You get, nobody's above mistake. If they make mistake, we'll say yes, okay, this guy do mistake, okay, but you support them, you get, to bring them up. That's what it will just be. Alright, Gary Lineker self come and cycle say for him, say Bukayo Saka should be the footballer of the year, because how do you get 12 goals and 10 assists in a season with 10 games to go and you say you don't want to give the boy the player of the season? Fine, he can talk say people like Haaland, they be favorites to win the young player of the year and maybe a footballer of the year, but at the same time, we can't take away Bukayo Saka from the scheme of things that the guy deserves everything he's getting. And from what I hear, he's the first EPL player this season to get double digits in goals and assists at the same time. He gets one player. Come on, man. The guy they more valuable to Arsenal than Haaland is valuable to Man City, because remove Haaland from Man City will play where remove Saka from Arsenal may capitulate like a pack of cards. It is what it is. Even Gary Lineker can talk say as a member of the Footballers Writers Association, say he get a vote, and say if he won't vote, he go vote for Bukayo Saka to win one of those awards, either the Footballer of the Year or the Young Player of the Year. So but him go prefer the Footballer of the Year. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.